Hello friends, today I will design a belt and pulley, and I also apply motion on this. So please watch my video and like and subscribe. Hello friends, welcome back in my YouTube channel Anyone Can Design. Friends, today we will design belt and pulley. V type belt and pulley, and I will show you motion also, that how it work perfectly after designing. Okay friends, if you have not subscribe my channel, so please subscribe and press bell icon. Okay friends, firstly select front plane, then sketch on this plane, then select rectangle. I will draw two circle. Give the dimension of these circles. The dimension of this circle is 120 mm, sorry. Then this one is 25 mm. Now go to the feature and extrude boss feature. Select the mid plane. The dimension between give the dimension 25 mm. Then okay friends, now select this plane, sorry, this face, and sketch on this face. Draw a circle. Give the dimension, small dimension of this circle 80 mm. Select, go to the feature and extrude cut. Eight mm. Then okay. Select the mirror and select the front plane and feature, then okay friends. Now sketch on this face. Select the circle. Give the dimension of this circle 12 mm, sorry, 10 mm. The distance between here to here is 25 mm. Select this point and this point, make vertical. Go to the feature, sorry, extrude cut feature, and select through all, and okay. Go to the circular pattern, select this, sorry, select this face and select the feature, this. Then okay. Now select the right plane and draw a center line from here to here. Okay, now convert the entities of this, then okay. Now draw now trim these entities. Okay, here to here 6 mm. The angle between this and this is 60. The distance between here to here is 3 mm. Okay. Now go to the features and revolve cut feature, then okay. Select this face, go to this face and okay. Draw a circle. (27). Then convert entities. Okay. Go to the feature and extrude. Merge feature 2 and select the second dimension and give the dimension of 10, then okay. Sorry, give the again dimension of okay. It's a big pulley, and now again design small pulley, and we don't need again design big pulley. I will change in this pulley. Okay, firstly save this pulley, big pulley, save. Now change the dimension from small pulley, so I will change in this I will change in this design also. Okay, drag this and change this. Keep this 20. Okay, and this 75. Okay, then cut features, change this cut feature, keep this 45, keep 55. Okay, then okay. Now again exit from here, mirror feature, then change into this feature, sketch, 6 mm, and distance from here to here is 15 mm. 17 mm. 1 and 7, 17 mm. Distance this 8. Okay, select the pattern, then again rip off feature, then boost extrude, change this again, 22. Then okay. Save again. Save as small pulley. Small pulley. Then save as. Okay. Go to the make assembly part. Now we will make axis, two axis, then select top plane and right plane. So select firstly select the reference geometry and axis. Then I will select top plane and right plane. Generate one axis. Then again select the plane, right plane, and make a plane. The distance of this plane is 180 mm. Okay. Now again we will make a axis. So select axis, then select the plane, top plane, then okay. Show this all axis also. uh, Show here two axis, and if you don't show the axis, then please click here and show the view the axis. Fine. Okay. Now insert the component, select insert component, browse the features and insert the component, big pulley and small pulley. Okay. Now we will use mate on this. Select this mates and select the face and select the axis and use this mate. Then okay. It's not select because firstly we use float features, then we can use it float, then now I will use mate. Okay. Select this and then this, then okay. Now again select this and this axis, then use okay. Now select this phase and this phase, make coincident, then okay. Now hide this axis. Now I will select the assembly feature and select the belt and chain, then select this and select the create belt part, then okay. Save and continue, then save and continue. Name of this part belt, then save. Okay. Now select this and open part, use right plane and sketch on this plane. Now sketch here. Now select the line and give the dimension, smart dimension 19. Okay. the distance between here to origin 54, distance between this line and this line is 6 mm, angle between this and this line also 16, and this line and this line also 16 mm. Then okay, select this point, and this point is 19 divided by 2. Then okay, then select the features, both features, select the sketch and select the profile and path. Then okay, now save this name of belt. Now so now I will use motion on this belt and pulley section. Then select motion study. Okay, then select the frame per second and 10 frame. Then okay, then select the motor. I can use motor on this phase. Change the rotation direction, give the RPM 100 RPM. Okay, then okay, now you can watch this. Select this, you can increase the seconds and you can watch again. You can change, you can increase the speed from here. Watching speed, it's only video speed, not the motor speed. Okay, you can change here playback motor normal playback model loop में. If you want to continue, if you want to run continue, then you can use this feature loop. Then you can, so this again play and play again.